Check, check, check. All right, I think we're good. Think we're good. Sup, peoples? Hope everyone's doing well. Excuse me. All right. So. Oh, yesterday. So I blew my Apex funded account. Yeah, I come to the conclusion that I will not be doing that anymore. It's just not realistic. $2,500 trailing stop loss. It's kind of crazy and unrealistic. If I had a $50,000 account, I would risk 7 to 10% in one day, depending on how the day's going. And yeah, I'm over it. I'm over it. I'll just stick to the demo and ball out. So initially this morning, I wanted this because we ran this low, and I wanted to see it go lower. But as you can see here, we closed and then started wicking into this lower one while staying above consequent encroachment of this. So that was enough to trigger longs. I still like this down here because I think it's too clean. This right here. So we'll see if during the opening bell, if we run and get this high or not. And then we'll definitely, like I said, I would like to be looking down here. But we shall see. We shall see. Man, I get it. Them prop firm things, they're in it to make money. They're not in it to help a trader or get them to the next level. Like, I completely understand. It don't make sense to create a business to give away money. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna stay away from them. Yeah, I'm just gonna demo ball. It's like walking in the casino and expecting to come out with something, which you can, but the odds are stacked against you, and house always wins. Like I said, I'm still favoring shorts because there's no inefficiency up there. All we have is this liquidity. I guess we got this one right here. And a 5-minute civvy there. And we take this gap to this wick because there is a gap here in price. So we're going to take from this body to this wick. When the night never fades, two souls in a blaze. Passion running wild. And sits in the window while she folding our clothes. A problem with the weed. There's gonna be frustration in this. Why? I roll up. Stop. Money is dangerous. Fucking the game up. My mommy used to always keep a little bit of trouble. Instance in the window while she folded our clothes. I will never have a problem with the weed. Don't you have no shame? There's gonna be frustration in this white man's game. Just legalize it because it is our trade. I said I like these short. I like this down here. So we'll see how we operate if we get this high. This has already been closed here. So next thing is this up here. Excuse me. Oh, snaps. Come on. What? Oh, I feel like I'm coming down on a sickness. But you have no shame. There's gonna be frustration in this. I wanted to see shorts down here, but this, it wicking and never closing below. So we ran this low, wick down into this 5-minute BISI, wick down into there, and then we stayed above consequent encroachment of it, which is halfway. So again, I want to see how do we operate once we get this high. Or if we even get it. Excuse me. So that's closed. So the only thing up there is this inefficiency here. And that's a equal low now. Relatively equal lows. Oh, excuse me. Start getting rid of some of this stuff. So click low, made a new low. So we take this high, I'd like to see a retrace and to go higher. Again, we'll see. Man, I wanted to be down in here. But it's all right. What's the next one? We got this, and then we got these two. Excuse me. So ran a high, created a higher high, took a low, take a high, continue to go higher. That's an entry right there. Missed that. No, we don't talk. Got me feeling like a blue whale. I've got to think again. And it might not be such a bad idea if I here. So we just took out the London high. So I would like to see a retracement down into there. So one. High took in, up close candle. So I'm paying attention to see if we want to go higher and start getting up there, or if that's enough to start working back here down into here. As it sits, I would definitely say higher, maybe even make a new high. Like I said, I like these down here. It's too close. So buy side was ran. Excuse me. So basically, I want to see if we can get up here. If we can't get up here, then I would definitely say down here. And let's see where we are compared to, we're at a premium. That ran all that. Ran a high, BISI. Put the stop loss, the top of this 5-minute SIBI. And then we will project from this low to this high. 50s here. 100% is right there. So this is 50. This is 100 right here. And I'm going to mark that, and then I want to see what's lining up, what's in close vicinity to that. That's pretty close. But again, I want to see if this is the high or if it is not. And as it sits, quarters. So mainly, let's see if we can get to this first. We got inefficiencies right here. We have not wicked into. And that's a SIBI. And then so since we ran this high, I need to take my attention to the other side. That's closed. The only thing else is down here. This five, I wish I had different, I wish I had multiple screens with the switch. This 5-minute is closed. It's the only thing open down here. Then we got this. We got a volume imbalance down there as well. So we'll see. We'll see if this stays closed. We go higher. And don't look like that's what we're gonna get. Oh snaps! Let me. One minute. And we're wicking below, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this. And we're gonna go. So we ran a high, created a BISI buy side sell side imbalance that failed. So I want to go short. I said I like these lows down here. Like I think that's way too clean. And then to work down into here. Don't you have no shame? Yeah, my music won't even play. This computer is like, no. Another 5 minute, the inefficiencies are here, here. And then I got all this from 8:30 this morning. A higher time frame. Just ran liquidity here. So me personally, I would like to see it work down into these. Because we just ran 2 a.m. London, or what is that? 3 a.m. London high. Let's see if this holds true as a civvy. Single candle over, stay in the bottom half, and then again. I like these. I think they're too clean. Ran a high, created a BISI. BISI did what? Failed. Excuse me. So since we ran this high, I'm watching this. Okay, so if we get a single candle over this 5 minute, excuse me, I'm gonna use this as inversion to go lower. And again, I want to see you work back down into here. Why? Well, we just ran a high. The only thing still intact is this low, this right here. You got these equal lows down here. But I can be completely wrong, and we could wick into this and go higher. So I want to see a single candle over this one. Stay in the bottom half to go lower. So it should be here. So we ran a high, created a BISI. BISI failed. Excuse me. See, I like these lows down here. All right, higher time frame, and I want to see this stay in the bottom half, go lower. My mama used to do it. Yeah, I can't even. So like I said, I'm favoring these, and these down here. Basically waiting on close, and I want to see if we can retrace back up into here. But we have this 5-minute BISI as well. And we got all these inefficiencies to go back up to if we decide to go back up. Again, I want to see SIBI retraced and start working back down into there. Okay, we wicked into this 5-minute BISI. Buy side, sell side balance, meaning sell side hasn't been delivered. Sell side just tapped into the 5-minute BISI. Excuse me. Ricola. Ballin'. In 30 seconds. So I like these. I also like this down here. Yeah. I'm waiting for a single candle over it. Nope. So this becomes a SIBI 5-minute. I want short, but I don't want to give all this retracement back and this one. So we're going to wait, see where this closes, see where the next candle opens. Again, I would like to see a retracement, wick up into this, and then come lower. Because we ran the London high, 240. And we're at the bottom half of this 5 minute. Like I said, I want the short, but that's a gap. That's a gap. So we're going to wait for the retracement if we can even get it. And they just continue to run straight through it. Because it's headed somewhere. I'm going to go short. Stop loss is, see, no, I don't even want to do that. Because again, we got this and we got that. Bum, 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 bum. And the reason why I'm not going short is because you got this SIBI, you got this SIBI. See it come back, test them, and then hopefully run into this, that. Or it's literally just that. We came down to fill these. This would be a SIBI reject off with the up close candle to go higher. I would prefer shorts because of this right here, relative equal lows. It's 35 seconds, and then we'll see where this candle closes, and then that will give me my 5 minute SIBI. High was ran, created a BISI. The BISI failed. Lower prices. And it's like, well, how much lower? Well, I like these like that. So now we have that 5 minute SIBI. I like how it's rejecting off of that. That's the higher time frame. BISI. But again, I don't want to enter because of this. Like you have higher time frame 1 and 2. Obviously, we don't want to see it come back up here. I want to see it wick. You see inefficiency, inefficiency. We got 4 minutes to the opening bell. So I would suspect run up here to go lower. Because again, these are relative equal lows. And then you got more relative equal lows close together. That's what I would like to see. If that's going to happen, I don't know. We will respond accordingly. And that's what I would like to see. Wake up into this first one. Treat the top one as a breakaway. I don't even think we're going to get that. I'm going to go short. I'll go stop loss at the top half of this. And I'm going short. It's on the 1 minute. I know I should wait because we have all of this. But I like this. That's why I went short. Well, we have a 5 minute. We're rejecting off the 5 minute. We have a volume imbalance. We've tested. We have another one we tested. Like I said, I personally, this is what I want to see. I want to see that piece all the way down here. Are we going to get that? I don't know. But we're going to take 2 there. Oh. What the fuck is that noise? Excuse me. Again, and I know we got these. And like I said, I want to, since we already tested this, this is the next inefficiency. So I wanted to see, take 2 there. I'm going to leave my stop loss up there. Like I said, these are too clean. And then you have these down here. So this is what the second trade I've taken today. I got closed because we never got above consequent encroachment of this wick. Excuse me. Close. Open. Excuse me. I knew it. Hoping that that's all we're going to wick into, and we're going to respect that. Like I said, we have this up here where sell side has not been delivered. So ideally, I want to see it come down here because I said these are too clean in my opinion. Like way too clean. Like look at that. And then, but again, we also have this 5-minute SIBI. Opening range. This is consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. So we got close here to open there. Make sure I got that right. This is consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. So I'm still favoring this because, like I said, these, and again, in my opinion, are too clean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relative equal lows, and then you have 1, 2 down here. So we'll see. That's consequent encroachment. See if we can get those lows. If we wick above this, I'm gonna go ahead and take 2. All right, I like that. I want to see if you can get down here to these lows. And we'll work down in the 1. Let's see. I want to see a tag that. What just happened? We just tagged this 5-minute BISI again. Since we already hit it once, I want to see you go through it. Close. Boom. That's 1. So my next one is here. I'll go 1. And we're going to go to the bottom half of that. The stop loss is going to come there. So how is it? There's a gap there. So I'm going to bring my stop loss right above the high of this. Right above this. Since that's where consequent encroachment is of the opening range gap. Ideally, I don't want to see it return back up there. Buy 1. Oh, snaps. Sell 1. Oh, what is going on? I'm over it. Buy 1. Jeez, that was a mess. Consequent encroachment, opening range gap right here. I like how we wicked up into it. So it's holding true as a SIBI so far. We just ran all these lows. Oh, what's going on here? We're just gonna close that since I messed that up. But yep, short, sweet, to the point, high to low. Again, I am no longer trying to frickin' What's that as of today? What we got? 1470.00 plus 5.25 00. 25.00 plus 245.00. I think that's 80 plus 80. If I didn't have the mishap at the beginning, a lot of that wouldn't have been there. So 23,320. Oh, yeah, that's good enough for me. We're below consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. Like I said initially this morning, with us running, let me get rid of this. With us running this low, I initially wanted to see lower prices just off of this right here. But obviously we didn't get it. What we did get was a high ran. And then we went back and got these lows. Like I stated yesterday in the video, yesterday was a prime example of trading without any patience or even waiting for my setup. Even here, you could say I didn't wait for my setup because ideally I wanted a retracement up into here. But with these equal lows down here, it just made more sense to go to the equal lows and then work back up into here to go higher. Not saying that's what's going to happen. That is just as I see it right now. I can see it retracing up into here. So like I said, these down here, this is what I wanted ideally. But I'm okay with what we took out of it today. It's plenty. That's more than enough. Yeah. Like I like that, man. That's an everyday move right there. Wait for it to run something. Measured this wick. And right, I should have been short here, targeting this. But again, what threw me off is these sibbies. So I was expecting a retracement, at least a wick to go lower. Okay, I should have been short up here. Ran a high, created a BISI, buy side, sell side imbalance. And what happened? Well, this BISI did what? It failed. Well, how did it fail? Well, no green candle stayed in the top half of this volume imbalance. We went over it, came down, and immediately broke down. So I should have been short up there, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's okay. Took something out. I'm okay with my performance today. It was acceptable. There was a plan. I waited. I wasn't, just going in there all willy-nilly like yesterday. Again, I knew I shouldn't have pressed the button. My mental wasn't there. But yeah, I still favor these lows down here. But we'll see. Reached 5-minute BISI. We wicked. Retracement up into here to continue to go lower. But again, we have these up here as well. But that's going to be it for me today. Like I said, I'm no longer prop firm trading. I'm not trying to do that nonsense. I know how to trade. Yeah, that's our executions for today, man. Hope everyone's doing well. Hopefully you're pursuing what you want to do in your life. If not, hopefully you get close to it. But on that note, man, love and live life, people. Love and live life. Peace.